Hey everybody, welcome to day 3. Today's practice will be lying on the back. Come down onto your spine. Gently release yourself down. And when you get there, allow the legs to open, feet flopping out, and the palms by the sides, fingers curling towards the sky, shoulders are released, eyes are closed. Face relaxed. And as you lay here, imagine you are looking at yourself from above. And taking your favorite color chalk, draw a line down the center of your body, through the crown of the head, across the face, over the chin, down the throat, through the chest, down to the belly, over the pubic bone, completely dissecting the body into 2 halves. Now imagine you are actually laying on a beach in the sand, and you have these 2 separate halves of your body. Bring your awareness to the right side of the body and imagine what kind of imprint would you be leaving in the sand. Where your shoulder is touching the sand, maybe your glute, your calf, your ankle. The forearm, the back of the hand. Bring your awareness to the whole of the right side body and the imprint that it's making on the beach. Now bring your awareness to the left side of the body. The same thing. The left side of the back of the head, the shoulder blade, the back of the arm and the hand, the glute, maybe the calf and the heel, and what kind of shape that would leave in the sand. Bring all your awareness to the left side, breathing into it. Noticing how the left side feels as your awareness is all there. Does it feel heavier than the right side? Take a breath here and then open the eyes. As your left leg is already out to the side, we're going to scooch the right leg over to meet it. So your body is curved if you were still looking from above, and we'll move into a banana shape. Start to scooch the top half of the body over to the left as well. Now, thinking about the legs, you have 3 options. You can leave them as they are. You can lift the right leg up and hook it over the left ankle, or you can lift the left leg up and hook it over the right ankle. Whatever feels good in your body. Then bring the arms overhead and grab hold of the right wrist with the left hand, circling it with the fingers, and maybe pulling yourself over, creating even more of this banana shape. Trying to keep the pelvis facing upwards, noticing the stretch all down the right side. How does it feel? Where can you feel it the most? Is it in the tricep? The right side waist? The outer hip? What about your feet and the ankles, depending on which position you chose? Just send the breath to wherever you can feel a little bit of stickiness and tightness. And for me, I can feel it the most in the right outer hip. Taking breaths here. And then very gently we'll move back to the midline. Come back out into that shape, the legs apart and the arms by the side, lying in the sand again. We'll move on to the other side. This time moving the left leg to meet the right. And remembering those three options, you can leave them just like that. Or you can lift the left leg up and hook it over the right ankle. Or the right ankle can hook over the left. And then gently bring the arms overhead, grabbing this left wrist with the right fingertips this time, scooching the upper body over. And if you were looking from above, you would be a banana. Breathing into the stretch along the side. And this is different this side than the other one. Where are you feeling it? Are you feeling it in the outer hip, the waist, the shoulder, the back of the arm? For me, I can't really feel anything on this side. It is completely different to the first side. Where are you feeling it? Wherever you can feel it the most, just hover your attention there. See what comes up for you. And then when you're ready, we'll return back to the beach with the legs flopping open, palms by the side. Again, connecting with that imprint in the sand. Maybe it looks a bit different now. You scooched to the left and to the right. And then in your own time, just come up to a comfortable seat. That's today's practice. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow for day 4.